Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset and pair your Firestick remote. As you can see here, I'm pressing on the remote but it does not respond, it's not working. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Hold down these three buttons: the menu button, the back button, and the D-pad left button. Menu, back, left. Just hold down for 15 seconds to reset your remote. First, keep on holding for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, remove your Fire Stick from your TV and remove the power cord. Now, remove the batteries from your remote. Now, plug your Fire Stick back in and connect the power cord. Once your Fire Stick screen comes up, wait 1 minute. You will get this notification on your TV screen: we cannot detect your remote. Now put the batteries back in your remote. Press OK. Perfect, your remote should be working again, as you can see. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.